Deciphering the art of fair compensation and seamless payment methods for virtual assistants is crucial for your business success. In our enlightening video, we unravel the mysteries of determining the right pay rates for VAs and explore the most efficient payment solutions. From hourly rates to cultural insights, discover the strategies to ensure a mutually beneficial relationship with your virtual team. Join as we demystify the complexities of paying VAs and empower you to optimize your outsourcing strategy like never before. Let's go. Hi, I'm Jake Barefoot, founder of Trouble Free Employees. Today, we're going to cover an essential topic for anyone working with virtual assistants, which is how much to pay them and the best way to handle payments. So let's get started. First, let's talk about how much to pay your VAs. One of the best strategies is to find out what they're used to being paid at their previous jobs and then pay slightly more. By offering a little more than what they are used to making, you will be able to attract top talent and ensure your VAs are motivated and loyal. It's a small investment that pays off in the long run with higher productivity and commitment. Paying slightly more than the going rate demonstrates that you value their work and respect their contributions. It also helps in reducing turnover, as VAs are more likely to stay with a client who pays them well. But there's more to the story than just this. You should avoid overpaying them by giving them much more than they're used to having, because this could turn into problems down the road. In Filipino culture, it is a very common thing that workers will pay their family an allowance out of their wages. If you pay them significantly more, it will oftentimes result in other family members deciding that they don't have to work anymore, which will put additional stress on the worker and may even leave them with less money for themselves than they had at their previous pay rate. From Western cultures, this seems very odd and counterintuitive, but I've found this to be a problem with many of my workers in the past. Remember, a well-compensated VA is a motivated and productive VA. This approach not only attracts the best talent, but also fosters a positive working relationship. The compensation does not need to be just in wages alone that might just end up in their family's pool of communal money. I've found that by offering to finance team outings or events, this can have a much better result than just wages alone. These experiences are theirs and theirs alone. In a collectivist culture, being able to post pictures of themselves doing fun activities on their social media will help them to make them feel very proud and motivated to be part of your team. This can help them garner the respect of their peers, which is a big deal in a collectivist culture such as the Philippines. Another thing that can be very motivating is to send them gifts such as higher-end computer equipment that they will be able to use to upgrade their offices and help them be more productive and take pride in what they do. Just keep in mind that if you go this route, they may end up selling it or pawning it if they get pressured to do so from their family members. Now let's discuss the best way to pay your VAs. It is crucial to use a reliable money transfer solution, such as PayPal, that can provide you with a 1099-K at the end of each year. PayPal is a popular choice because it is widely accepted, secure, and provides the necessary documentation for tax purposes. At the end of the year, you'll receive a 1099-K form, which makes it easy to track and report payments with much less paperwork than having to track all the payouts individually. Regardless of what payment method you use, it's always a good idea to collect a 1099-BEN form from them when they first start working with you, just in case you need it down the road. Using PayPal or similar services offers several benefits. It ensures timely payments, maintains a clear record of transactions, and simplifies the tax reporting process. By choosing a reliable payment method, you build trust with your VAs, because they will be able to rest assured that their payments will consistently come on time. In addition, it will streamline your financial management, so it's a win-win for both you and your team. I personally recommend sending out their pay twice a month. In my company, the paydays have always been on the 10th and the 25th of each month. In summary, finding out what your VAs are used to being paid and offering slightly more can significantly enhance their performance and loyalty. Additionally, using PayPal or other reliable money transfer solutions ensures secure payments and simplifies your tax reporting. At Trouble Free Employees, we're committed to helping you get the most of your virtual assistant team. Hey there, thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying the content and want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. By subscribing, you'll join our community of thousands of amazing people who love to learn about the Philippines and the best ways to manage virtual assistants. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating awesome content for you. So go ahead, click that subscribe button now and become part of our growing family. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.